Changing a password for Google Calendar is a straightforward process that involves updating a Google account password. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google sign-in page. Enter your email address and current password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Then, click on the Security tab on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Find Password Settings. In the Security section, scroll down until you see the Signing into Google section. Click on Password to begin the process of changing your password. Step 4. Enter your current password. You will be prompted to enter your current password again for security purposes. Type in your current password and click Next. Step 5. Set a new password. Now enter your new password in the provided fields. Make sure it is strong and secure. After confirming the new password, click Change Password to finalize the update. After completing these steps, your Google Calendar will be secured with your new password. Remember to update any devices or applications where you use this account.